Hi, good morning. Welcome to Al-Afaq International School, Jeddah Virtual Learning Classroom. With you, Ms. Shada Badr, Grade 2, Math Teacher. Okay, today we will start a new topic, Topic 15, Lesson 1, Shapes and their Attributes. Instructions, listen to the lesson explanation. Open your book, page 860, 861, 862. Check your answers. Give a star to each correct answer. Okay. Topic 15, shapes and their attributes. Lesson 1, two-dimensional shape. Our objective for our lesson today, recognize the shape by how they look, the scales, use the number of sides and the number of vertices to classify polygons as triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagon, and hexagons.
Hi there, welcome to Math Antics. So far in our series in geometry, we've learned about points, lines, planes, and angles. In this lesson, we're going to learn about another important element of geometry. We're going to learn about polygons. You probably already know a lot about polygons because you see them all the time. Here are some common examples that you might recognize. These shapes are all polygons. That's because a polygon just means a multi-sided shape. And these shapes all have multiple sides. Okay, so that's a basic definition of a polygon. But to really understand what is a polygon and what is not a polygon, we need to learn about the specific properties that all polygons have in common. First, we need to know the three parts that make up all polygons. And these parts are sides, vertices, and angles. The sides are just the straight line segments that make up a polygon. And the vertices are the points where the sides intersect. And the angles are formed by the intersecting lines. In fact, in Greek, the word polygon literally means many angles. So all polygons have sides, vertices, and angles. This polygon here has 5 sides, 5 vertices, and it forms 5 angles. The next thing we need to know about polygons is that they're closed shapes. Now, what does it mean for a shape to be closed, you ask? Well, it means that the sides are connected so that there are no gaps. The area inside the shape is separated from the area outside the shape. And there's no way to get from the inside to the outside without crossing a line. It might help to think of a closed shape like a cage. If you put an ant inside the cage, then there's no way for it to get out without crossing a line. But if the shape is open, then there is a way out. So these are all examples of closed shapes. And these are all examples of open shapes. And the important thing to remember is that a polygon must be closed. And the last thing we need to know about polygons is that they're two-dimensional or flat shapes. And that means that all the vertices must lie on the same plane. If any one of the vertices were to move forwards or backwards so that it wasn't on the same plane as all the other vertices, then it wouldn't be a flat shape anymore. Flat shapes are also called planar shapes because all of their points are on the same plane. And even though polygons themselves can't be 3D shapes, you can use polygons to make 3D shapes, like a box, for example. The box is not a polygon, but each of its flat sides is a polygon. All right then, we now have a specific definition of a polygon. A polygon is a multi-sided shape that has sides, vertices, and angles. A polygon is a closed shape, and a polygon is a two-dimensional or a flat shape. And now that you know that, it's time to play Polygon or Not a Polygon. Now here's your host, me. Thank you. All right. Now the rules of the game are simple. I'm going to show you a shape, and you tell me if it's a polygon or not a polygon. Are you ready to play? Our first shape is a square.
Hala, as you understand, it is polygon or not polygon?
It's polygon.
Polygon, excellent.
Is a square a polygon? Yes. Square has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and it's a closed 2D shape. So it is a polygon. And next we have
Kenzie, what do you think? This shape is polygon or not polygon?
Not polygon.
Not polygon because it is open.
not exactly sure what to call this, but is it a polygon? Nope, it's close, but because it's an open shape, it can't be a polygon. All right, what about this one? Polygon or not?
Judy, what do you think? It is polygon or not?
Polygon.
Polygon. Excellent, Judy.
Yep, it is a polygon. Even though the sides aren't all the same length, it is a closed 2D multi-sided shape. In fact, if you count, you'll see that it has 7 sides. What about this one?
Okay, let us see Maya. Maya, do you think this is polygon or not polygon?
Not.
Not polygon.
Is a
Excellent.
circle a polygon? Well, it is a closed 2D shape, but how many sides does it have? Now that's the problem. A circle doesn't have any straight sides, vertices, or angles. It's a curved shape, so it's not a polygon. Next, we have a star shape, just like me.
Aisha, do you think the star is polygon or not polygon?
Polygon.
Polygon, excellent.
Is it a polygon? Yep. It has straight sides and vertices, and it's a closed 2D shape. That means it's a polygon. And what about this one? Right you are. This is not a polygon.
Okay, that's enough for here. Okay. Now, let us start our lesson for today. Today, we will start a new topic, topic 15, shapes and their attributes. Lesson 15.1, two-dimensional shape. Okay, we will learn the shape name, as you see here. Okay, before we learn, objective recognize the shape by how they look. Use the number of sides and number of vertices to classify polygons as triangle, quadrilaterals, and pentagons and hexagons. Okay. What does it mean, the word polygon here? Polygon means a closed. It must be closed, plane shape with 3 or more sides. Like the circle don't have any side. The circle, it's not polygon. Let us see together here. I will choose girl. If you hear your name, answer, okay? Okay. Lujain, number 1. Do you think it is polygon or not polygon? Here,
Number 1.
yes.
Not polygon.
Not polygon because it is open side. Okay. Tala, number 2. Do you think it is open or closed?
Polygon.
It is polygon or not polygon?
It is polygon.
Polygon. Excellent. Shumukh Adil. Number 3. It is polygon or not polygon?
Not polygon.
Not polygon. No sides. Okay. Yara.
What?
Number 4. Do you think it is polygon or not polygon?
Not polygon.
Not polygon because we have pairs. We have pairs. Okay. Abrar, what about number 5?
What?
Polygon or not polygon? Number 5. What's that, Abrar? What's that? Okay, Tara. Mariam Al-Aish, number 5. It is polygon or not polygon?
Miss, I know. Miss, I know.
Answer.
I know, Miss. I know. Polygon.
Okay. Aline, it is polygon number 5 or no? Number 5, Aline, polygon or not polygon? Let me choose another one. Kadi, it is polygon or not polygon, number 5?
Polygon.
Polygon, excellent. Okay, Shada Sharif, number 6. Polygon or not polygon?
Not polygon.
Why?
Because it's open.
Excellent, because it's open, it is not polygon. Okay. This one we see.
Mathematics.
Okay. That's mean here non-polygon like the moon here. It's not polygon because it's have curve, circle, the rainbow, the heart. It is non-polygon because it have curve. Polygon like this shape on the right side. What is polygon? Polygon, it must be two-dimensional shape. If I ask you box, cube, it is not polygon because it is 3D. Now 2D must be 2D. Has straight line and is a closed shape. It is a closed shape. Okay. What does mean the word vertex? Vertex mean here single. Mean is a point where two or more straight line meet. Here is the first line. Here is the second. The point where they meet here, we call that vertex. If we have more than one, we call that vertices. Okay? Let us see together.
Get
Two D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? Let's learn today. Sides are the straight lines that form the shape. Vertices are the corners that the two lines make. Let's move and count the sides and vertices of these 2D shapes. This is a square. Let's move and count the sides of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a triangle. Let's move and count the sides of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. This is a rectangle. Let's move and count the sides of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a rhombus.
Okay, that's enough for this one. Okay, let us start the first shape. The first shape is triangle. Triangle from the word three, tri. Tri means 3. Okay, it has 3 sides, 3 vertices. Okay, now the second one is quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals have quad mean 4. Quad mean 4. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides, 4 vertices, like square, rectangle, and also this shape. Okay, quadrilaterals. Okay. The second, third one, pentagons. Penta from the number 5. Penta. 5 sides, 5 vertices. Pentagon. This shape we call it pentagon. Let us count together. Here I will count. 1. Pentagon. Okay. Now we have hexagon. Hexagon, Hex means 6. The same of the spelling 6. Hex. 6 sides, 6 vertices. Let us write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We call it hexagon. Okay. Now we will open our math book, page 860. Open it now. Open your math book, page 800. Okay, no problem, Mariam. We will open our math book, page 860. Now, let us start our math book. Okay. Page 860 now.
In this lesson, we will identify some shapes by finding how many sides, vertices, and angles each shape has. Look at these shapes. Do you already know the names of some shapes? Some of the shapes are triangles. Look at the shapes that are triangles. How are the triangles all alike? The triangles all have 3 sides. The triangles all have 3 vertices. The triangles all have 3 angles. Why is the red shape not a triangle? The red shape has 6 sides. Triangles have exactly 3 sides. Look at the shapes. Some of them are quadrilaterals and some are not. See if you can tell which ones are quadrilaterals. Look at the shapes that are quadrilaterals. How are the quadrilaterals all alike?
As you see here, the cube is not quadrilateral. Why? Because it is 3D. It must be just 2D.
The quadrilaterals all have 4 sides. The quadrilaterals all have 4 vertices. The quadrilaterals all have 4 angles. Look at the shapes. Some of them are pentagons, and some are not. See if you can tell which ones are pentagons. Look at the shapes that are pentagons. How are the pentagons all alike? The pentagons all have 5 sides. The pentagons all have 5 vertices. The pentagons all have 5 angles. Look at the shapes. Some of them are hexagons, and some are not. See if you can tell which ones are hexagons. Look at the shapes that are hexagons. How are the hexagons all alike?
They have 6 sides.
The hexagons all have 6 sides. The hexagons all have 6 vertices. The hexagons all have 6 angles. Can a shape that is a triangle also be a quadrilateral? What about a hexagon? Think about these questions as you do the activity that comes next.
Okay. Let us go back to our math book and start to solve it. As you see here, triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagon. Okay. Now we will match. Let us start to match. Okay. شموخ أديب, number 1. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. What it is named, this shape? 6 sides. شموخ. We don't have a lot of time. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. From the word 6, like hex. Hexagon. It is named hexagon. Okay, thank you.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Repeat, hexagon. Okay. Nadine. Nadine.
What, teacher?
Yes, good morning. How are you? Let us see this shape. Count the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be
5.
that means it is named.
Miss, I don't see the board.
Who else don't see the board? Kenzie, can you see the board or no?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, what about you, Ali? You can see it?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Judy, can you see the board also?
Yes, I can see it.
That's mean, Nadine, you have problem in your iPad or your mobile. Number 5, 5 side, it will be pentagon. Okay. Nuran, what we call this shape?
Yeah.
Have 3 sides. 3 sides. What we call that? Nuran. Teacher, faster. You call that triangle. Thank you, Nuran. Okay. Let us answer here. Lamar Ammar.
Yes.
How many sides and vertices? Name each shape. Okay. This one. 1, 2. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides?
4.
4. How many vertices?
4.
I will say make it by red here. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. What we call this shape, teacher? What we call that? We call that quadri. Repeat after me. Quadrilaterals.
Quadrilateral.
Okay, quadri. Okay,
Miss.
quadrilateral.
Array.
Okay, let me check.
Array.
INT'L quadrilaterals. Okay.
Miss.
Yes.
I can see the board.
Who's talking?
Me, Nadine.
Check your mobile or your because you can't
I see
it.
the board.
Okay, Miral Abdelhadi.
Yeah.
Yes, this shape. How many sides? 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
5.
How many vertices? 1, 2, 3,
5. 5.
What it is named? What we called it? Called it pentagon. What we called it?
Pentagon.
3 pentagons. What we called it? Pentagons. We must practice at home a lot. Quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagon, triangle, okay? If you finish writing, go to next page. Did you finish? Girls, did you finish writing this page?
No. No.
Okay. Go next page if you finish. Mariam, did you finish writing? Mariam Bassam. Okay. If you finish, go to next page. Match each shape to its name. Match each shape to its name. Start to do it by yourself and wait. We will come to you to solve it together. Okay, I think that's enough. Let us go to the next page. Okay, match each shape with its name. Let us start. Rudaina. Okay. How many sides for this shape, Rudaina? The first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we call that?
Sides.
What we call that?
Hexagon.
Hexagon for 6. Here it will be pentagon. It will be?
Pentagon.
Okay, thank you. Rinad, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be Rinad?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Excellent. Great job. Thank you. Okay. Shumu Khalid, what the name of this shape have 3 sides? We called it triangle. Okay, Shumu. Wasan?
What's miss?
This shape, how many sides it have? 4. What we call that? Are you with me, Wasan?
Yes.
Yes, answer. Its name? Quad. Quad. Repeat. Quad. Quadrilateral. Try to repeat. Quadrilateral. I will open the mic, girls, for all of you to repeat after me. Okay? I will count to 3. All of you say after me. Quadrilateral. All of you. Again. Quadrilateral. Excellent. Great job. Let us complete. Okay. Asin, this shape, what we called it? Number 5. Have 3 sides. What we called it, Asin?
Triangle.
Great job. Thank you. Okay. Maryam Sharif, this shape have 5 sides. What we call that? 5. What we call that?
Pentagon.
Great job. Pentagon. Great job. Excellent. Okay. Noura, thank you. Noura. Noura, can you hear me, teacher? Noura.
Yes.
This shape, what we call it, have 4 sides. We called it quadrilateral. What we call that?
Quadrilateral.
Excellent. Thank you. Okay. Mariam Bassam, count how many sides for this shape, Mariam. Mariam, I open the mic for you. Open it from your side. Mariam. Excellent, Mariam.
It's open.
Okay.
1,
How many sides?
2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
What we call that?
Hexagon.
Great job. Thank you. Okay. Great job. Farah,
Yeah.
quadrilateral. How many sides? I must write here.
4.
And how many vertices?
4.
Excellent. Thank you, Farah. Okay. Maya, hexagon. How many sides for hexagon?
6.
And how many vertices?
6.
Excellent. Great job, Maya. Thank you. Okay. Lamar is not here today. Iman? Iman, for who, Iman? Can you hear me, Iman? Teacher, I opened the mic. Can you hear me, Iman? Okay, let us choose another girl. Aisha, triangle. How many sides and how many vertices? Triangle. How many sides?
3.
Okay, what about vertices? How many vertices?
3.
Excellent. Also 3. Okay, Judy.
Yes,
At
teacher.
number 9. Binetka, draw a triangle. Okay, we will draw a triangle with her. And a pentagon. We will draw a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here 5 and here 3. Can you tell us how many sides and vertices did she draw in all? We will add 3 plus 5
5.
equal 8 sides and 8 vertices. Okay? Finish it and go to next page. I will give you just 1 minute to finish writing here. Okay. Just 1 minute and we will go on next page. Okay. Here, Marco has 4 toothpicks. He placed them as showing. What shape can Marco make if he add 1 more toothpicks? What's the name of the shape? Who know? Lamar always welcome, Lamar. We will add more toothpicks here. What's the name of this shape?
This.
What we call this shape? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. What we call this?
We call it pentagon.
Excellent. We call it pentagon. 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 Thank you. Okay. Let us. Pentagons. Tala. Tala. Match now. Tala. Match to make shape that have vertices. Name the shape that you make. Yalla, let us match the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we call this, Tala, this shape? Has 6 sides and vertices. What we called it? Tali, are you with me? We called it hexagons.
Hexagon.
Hexagons. Okay. We must practice how to say this name. Okay. Hala, match now between these 3 dots and what we called it, Hala?
Triangle.
Excellent. Try from the word 3, triangle. Okay. Let us please. Kenzie, read number 12, please. Randall said that a square is a quadrilateral. Susan said that the square is a square. So it is not a quadrilateral. Who is correct? Who is correct? Randall or Susan? You're right here. Randall is correct. Why? Because square A have 4 sides for 40 teeth. It is what? Quadrilaterals. Okay. Now, Rajai, the last question. Okay. Which polygon is not a hexagon? Think and write. Let us count together. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you think it is hexagon or not hexagon?
B.
It is. Answer my question. It is hexagon or no?
Yeah.
Yes, hexagon. Let us count. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is hexagon or no?
No.
Why? It has 6 sides.
Yeah.
Let us see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Not hexagon.
It is?
Not hexagon.
It is hexagon, yeah? Let's make sure this letter D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is hexagon. That means letter B, it is what? Not
hexagon.
Not hexagon. You will have homework, page 863. Homework, page 863. Solve it. Send it for me by WhatsApp. Okay? Page homework. I want to see your answer inside WhatsApp, okay? This one, homework. Okay. What's the name of the shape, how many sides, and how many vertices inside? Okay, did you understand the lesson for today?
Yeah.
It was more difficult than the lesson for today. You must practice to say the names. You must practice a lot to say the names. Triangles, quadrilaterals,